In an earlier module in this topic, we looked at the net present value decision rule. For independent projects, positive NPV projects will increase the value of the firm and should be accepted. For mutually exclusive projects, the project with the highest NPV will increase the value of the firm by the most and should be accepted. In all of the examples we've looked at so far, the cost of capital was given and we calculated the NPV from there. However, the net present value of a project is significantly affected by changes in the cost of capital, and we can investigate the effect on the NPV by drawing an Npv profile. These are the cash flows associated with an example that we looked at in the Npv module. The NPV of these cash flows is $7.16. In order to graph the Npv profile, we need to calculate the NPV for various values of the cost of capital. We already know that the NPV for a cost of capital of 10% is $7.16. We can also easily calculate the NPV for a cost of capital of 0. If the time value of money is 0, then we can just add up the cash flows without any discounting. And that gives us an NPV of $30.40. We can calculate the remaining NPVs with a normal calculator, but it's generally quicker to do it with a spreadsheet. So these are all the net present values for this project for each different cost of capital. The Npv profile is drawn on a set of axes such as this, where the horizontal axis is the cost of capital and the vertical axis is the net present value. And this is the Npv profile for that project. The area shaded yellow represents situations where the NPV is negative and the project should not be accepted. The region shaded in white represents situations where the NPV is positive and the project should be accepted. The point at which the Npv profile crosses the x-axis represents the internal rate of return. This is consistent with the internal rate of return that we encountered in the internal rate of return module. It is the cost of capital that gives us an NPV of 0. In the net present value module, we had a cost of capital of 10%, and we can see that this is equivalent to an NPV of $7.16.